Yo, what's good? It's your boy back again. Another video, man. And like I said in the last video, we got the colors, fuel pump replaced, back up and running. Good shit. C10 is running. I done had to replace 2 fuel pumps in like the last 3 or 4 months. I think it's because they were sitting, but I'm really not sure. So now the question is, with the Tudo, like, is it because of the fuel pump? Let's find out.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm laughing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Hey, what's going on, y'all, man? I appreciate y'all tuning in for another video with your boy, man. We, like I said, we got pretty much two of the 4 back running and operational. There's a couple of them that's kind of down for the count. Don't really know what the hell is going on, but we're gonna get it all figured out. So finna get under the hood and try to do a somewhat diagnosis of what's going on with this Tudo. Now the Tudo was running. Like, the Tudo was running, driving, like, I don't know what happened. Like, I really don't know what happened. Like, I thought we was to the good. It was doing what it needed to do. Like, and then it didn't. So it's like, what the hell? So even though I haven't gone fully with the Cutlass, but I just need to find out why this shit ain't running, find out what the solution is, whatever, like that. So I really feel like it probably got something to do with the pump, because I don't know, I just do. And this fuel pump has probably been the longest running fuel pump that's been in the vehicle the whole time. Like, on other cars, like, yo, they have been replaced. Like, the C10 been replaced. The Colors hadn't been replaced before, but it did come off of the thing. We had to put some better clamps on it and everything like that. But this one in this car has never been replaced, and this is our very first LS swap that we ever did. Let me just show y'all. I was making a note to myself the other day, man. I ain't really showed y'all the inside of the car. So if this is y'all first time to the channel, let me give y'all the rundown. So this is a 1984 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Landau. Now, yes, it is a Landau by the VIN. No, I do not have everything. I won't say that I don't have everything, but previous owners removed certain things that I needed for this car to put the Tudo or the Landau trim back on it. So it's kind of heartbreaking and shit, but I mean, what you gonna do? But at the end of the day, fuck it. You know, we got a Tudo box Chevy. You know, Landau was just a trim. You know what I'm saying? It don't take away from it to me. You know what I'm saying? All the little hooks and shit at the bottom is there, so we can't put all that trim at the bottom back on. So we just hadn't said we painted it. You know, we've been doing other shit. It happens. It is what it is. We was kind of focused on the inside. Now, if you look, you know, we was doing the project on the inside. Now, this is not the original interior. This is a dashboard out of a probably like a 2011, 2012 Camaro. You know what I'm saying? We changed out the steering wheel. Still has the original column. So, you know, there's some stuff that we were still working on to get it, you know, where we wanted it to be. But at the first glance, don't look bad. You know what I'm saying? Don't look bad at all. So, where I'm at with it is trying to make sure we need to go ahead and focus and get whatever we needed to get done and get it done and be done. That's what I'm on this year, getting shit done. So looks like the battery has some juice. I don't think I heard that fuel pump, but I think I did hear it. So, and that's why we here. That's what we trying to figure out. And that's why we gonna get this spray. We gonna do like we did with the Tudo Cutlass, and we gonna see what is it gonna do when we put that starting fluid, or if you got the poor man starting fluid, you know, your brake parts cleaner, and then see what it's gonna do from there. So I'm gonna take off the set y'all right here so y'all can see. And I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver so we can take out this intake. We're gonna spray some in there, and then we're gonna see if it's gonna fire off. Before, I was having an issue with the damn, what you call that thing? Forgot, mine went blank. Before, I was having an issue with, what were we having an issue with, yo? Yeah, I don't know what it is. You know what I just thought about? Like, that shit ain't even got no fuses in that bitch. So it ain't gonna fire off even if it wanted to. Like, if anything, shit, it's definitely not gonna fire off. So let me get some fuses here. We're gonna pop them bad boys in there. And so basically what I was using here was the 15 amp fuses for pretty much everything that was in the thing. So I don't know how to make it track me again. Up there you go. Double tap. Follow me now, follow me now, follow me now. So yeah. So I know for sure it needs fuses in that bitch or it ain't gonna do nothing. Now, like I was saying, I probably need to rewire some stuff, label some stuff so I know exactly what wire go to what. But right now, we on something else. So before we even dive off in there, let me try to crank it up and see what happens. Because that does matter. If you ain't got no fuses to turn your fuel pump on, you're not gonna hear it. And I think I took them out because I didn't know what was going on. So there you go. Yeah, so that ain't doing what we want it to do. So, like I said, I'm gonna get the screwdriver and we're gonna take out the intake. We're gonna put some starting fluid slash brake fluid. Oh, not brake fluid. Starting fluid slash brake parts cleaner. And we are going to put that in the intake, see if it'll fire off. If it'll fire off, then we know it ain't getting no fuel for whatever damn reason. So there's always something though. Like, I don't understand what it be sometimes, but there's always something. All right. So spray some off in there. I'm gonna leave y'all out here while we do this. Maybe it'll stop right there. It's gonna say it lost me. Okay. Well, I think we found our issue. Cause that bitch fired right the fuck off, didn't it? Didn't it? That be fire right off. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Y'all's, hold on. Y'all's up. Follow me now, follow me now. Hold on. Hold on, god damn it. Alright, so y'all seen it, y'all heard it. Now, if I come around this motherfucker and I can get it running like the other one, look like we finna have to drop another fucking tank. Not that I want to, but shit. What you gonna do? Uh-oh. I moved too slow. Let's get it again. Hit it. Hit it, bitch. I didn't put my Crocs in sport mode, nigga. Oh, that bit backfired. Okay, I think it's safe to say that we ain't getting no fuel though. All right, well, yeah, another one bites the fucking dust. So, this is gonna be my plan. I believe this one had, follow me, bitch. Follow me. There you go, goddamn. All right, so I believe the issue is fuel related, of course. I believe it is the fuel pump. Pretty sure. And yeah, so there's that. So, without further ado, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I think I'm gonna take this battery out of here, go put it on a charger. I'm also going to go ahead and like I said, that shit should have power to the motherfucking pump. But like I said, this one has been the longest running pump. It's been in there, so I mean, it's probably just time, to be honest with you. Even though we hadn't been driving the car, but for this one to, I guess, survive as long as it did and whatever, I don't know. I be trying to make a hypothesis when you run into shit like this, right? So, I don't know. So now I have a decision to make, because this car is the only car that has a Spectra pump in it. The other ones were the Kimzo pumps. I don't know if them shits was lasting longer, because the Spectra and the C10 did go out. But the photo, Dolores, she got a Kimzo, Cutlass got a Kimzo, C10 got a Kimzo. So low key, I just want to put a Kimzo in it and be done with it. So I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take the battery out of there, make sure I got a good charge on it. Probably double check a couple things with the wiring, but like I said, I'm pretty sure that's what happened, because nothing else makes fucking sense, you know? I don't even know what the hell that goes to. Yeah, nothing else makes sense. Like, yeah. I'll let crank right the fuck up. And then it ain't getting no more juice, so. Clearly the fuel pump is not pumping, and we probably gonna have to drop the tank. So I think that's what we gonna prepare for. Lucky for me, I have come up with a solution, because I done did this shit so many times. I have a system that works pretty well. If y'all haven't seen the other video on the Cutlass, go check that out. If you have a pump, or if you have a motorcycle lift, then you can put the pump or you can put the tank on there, and even if your tank is full of gas, just lift that motherfucker up there, and then it's a whole lot easier. And you can do it one person, so versus trying to drain a tank and all of that shit. So like I said, got a couple decisions to make. What pump are we gonna put back off in there? Shit, that's really the only decision, because a pump gotta go. So I'm gonna do some price checking around, see if I can get a Spectra. If I can't get a Spectra, maybe we go to our old faithful O'Reilly's and get a pump. You know, that bitch got a warranty on it, you know what I mean? So might get that, and go that route. Or I don't know. So, but y'all tune in next time to see what we decide and how we gonna proceed. But yeah, next video should be dropping the tank and put a new pump in. Fuck it, let's get it done, get it over with. So remember, y'all, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop.